Hey everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. This week's super cool fold is just something completely different that I thought you would really like. This is from my good friends at Nina. This is a promotion that they produced using a couple of their papers as a sample, and I love the format. I also like the use of the different colors of paper, so I thought you'd really like it. This starts with an Astro Brights solar yellow envelope, so this just really screams in the mail. You're obviously going to probably open this first if you get it in the mail. I really like the pop of color. And then inside is this little pocket. It's like this little kind of pocket with an angle here. It's got an insert. It's personalized. This is for a real estate firm. So it says, "Hi Olivia, why list with us?" And it's through a little window, little die cut window here. And then when you pull this insert out, this is also solar yellow 100 cover. It's got some stats and, info on working with that, real estate firm. But I wanted to focus on the pocket because this is actually a glueless pocket. And I think it's really clever. This is on their Environment Concrete 100 cover. But I'm going to flip it over because the way this is built is really cool, and I can see it used in lots of different other scenarios. So anyway, it's got a little flap here and a slit, and it pulls out very easily like this. And then this panel goes over and this one goes over. So all you're really doing is creating the pocket by folding the panels over and up. And then you've got this really nice sturdy pocket. As I said, it's 100 cover. I like the shapes and the die cuts as well. You could do a very simple squared off version too. And this is also nice for if you have clients that are really focused on environmental issues, no glue, other processes and things like that. So I also could see this blown up and, more like a pocket folder type of a scenario for materials or higher ed. So anyway, I just thought this was so clever. These are die score, hand fold and assemble. But if you're already assembling parts and pieces to put something together, maybe you can assemble the folder, the pocket as well. So I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Glueless pocket with insert. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. And viewers, please send me your folds if I use them. I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, diamonds, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.